We're about to go and smash this
Afterwards, did they
big,
tell
fat,
them?
stupid gingerbread house. Cookies will be the warm-up round.
All the other kids with the pumped up kisses better run, now run my gun. All the other kids with the pumped up kisses.
Okay, so Dad, he's wearing the goggles and the hat that represents my channel, and he's gonna have this bat. I'm gonna throw these cookies at him, and hit them for a warm-up round, and then next is the gingerbread house.
Bruh. Ready for this?
Yes! Jesus Christ!
Resurrection is the group harder than